The chords are pretty straightforward. Inversions in the G chord. So I play my G like that, my C like that, D sus. It's quite easy because fingers 3 and 4 is already in place. And then my E minor, I still keep those two notes like harmony notes, I keep them there. So I'm choosing to use these kind of chords, and they're quite easy to change between the notes. So fingers 3 and 4 stay in place, and I just change position with finger 1 and finger 2. There's my E minor. Later on I use these shapes. So it's a C, but I add the harmony note of the G there. I keep that in place. So changing from the G, keep that finger in place as I go to my C. And then I can do the same for E minor, just the one harmony note this time. And then when I get to D sus, I resolve it to the D. That's interpretation. The music says D sus, but I interpret D sus resolve to D. If you're in a band, you got to all do it. But if you're your own, you're free to add those little nuances to the music. Let the notes ring. Down, up, up, down. Down, up, up, down. Down, up, up, down. So just try that with some chords. Down, up, down. And then you hold the chord and let it ring, and then change for the next one. Down, up, down. Quiet spaces, white spaces in a song is always helpful, like in the beginning. You are here, moving in our midst. So now I'm just using rakes. I worship you, I worship you. So just by one downstroke, one downstroke, one downstroke. The rakes, a lovely way to just create space in a song.